Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create folders and subfolders using Windows 11 computer, specifically within OneDrive. So, in case you have maybe a computer that has another version that is not Windows 11, it might be slightly different, but usually it's the same process. Okay, so now Microsoft's cloud storage is what is called OneDrive. So, OneDrive is Microsoft's cloud storage. That means your files are saved online when you use OneDrive. You can access them from different places and different devices. So it helps to keep your work backed up and safe. So, for example, if you create your folders, your subfolders, and the files in them at home, for example, when you get to maybe work or school, you should be able to get your files there. So far, you are able to get your username, which you could, could be your email and your password to be able to log in. Now, to begin with, we will need to get to our OneDrive, which is the location we are going to be creating our folder. So first, we click the yellow icon, which you can see on the bottom of my screen. Called the File Explorer. If you cannot find yours at the bottom of your screen, you will usually find it where you have all your applications. So I've just click on this Windows icon here, and as you can see, I've got my File Explorer there. So clicked, and that is open. Now on the left hand side, you will see some already some saved folders there already. Now you could see just below home here, I've put the third one where you have the cloud, and it's got my name. So that means I've already signed in into my OneDrive, the cloud there. So this icon here signifies that this is OneDrive. Now, so as I said, you will need to sign in into your Microsoft account to be able to use your OneDrive. Now, so we are going to create a new folder first, and then go ahead to click to create sub folders. Now, so the first thing we will do, so I'm going to click under my OneDrive. Okay, so you see I've clicked on it, there seems to be a blue, small blue box around it. So that means that is selected. Okay, so when that is selected, you could see on top here, I have where it says new. So I'm going to click that new button, and then going to click on where it says folder. So usually when you create a new folder, by default, it will be named new folder. You then have to be able to, delete or just write over that the new name that you want to give the folder. Okay, so you could delete or just write over it. It doesn't matter. Now, in this case, I'm going to call this my work. Okay, so when I type that in, I'm going to hit enter on my keyboard. Yeah, so that is me committing to naming that folder my work. Okay, so as I said earlier, you click on the OneDrive, and then you go to new there, click on folder, and then you create the folder. So that's one way. Another way as well is to right click in this white area here. Just click on your mouse, but right click, and then you will see I've got these options. So I'm just going to hover gently on where I have new, and then I'll click on folder. I'm going to say that again. So I'm still clicking on my OneDrive, and in this white area is where I'm going to click, right click on my mouse, right click. And then I'm going to go down where I have new, just over it, and then I'm clicking folder. So you could say same thing, new folder. as I said, by default it's called new folder. I will need to just delete that or write over it. So in this case, I'm still going to call it my work. I can call it my work too. You, oops. Okay, so when you give it a name, you hit enter on your keyboard. Right, so could you see it's telling me I cannot call it my work because I already have a folder that is called my work. It says, do I want to merge this? So I'll say no. So then it's, you then go back now to rename the file. So let's say I call it my work 2. And then I hit enter on my keyboard. So that is me committing to naming that folder work 2. Now, so the next step now is to then create subfolders. You need to choose the folder that you want to create a subfolder inside. So the main folder I've chosen is the first one, which is my work. Now, a subfolder is just a folder inside another folder. So, for example, it's like you have a main house, and then inside that house, you have different rooms. So, now let's say the main room is called my work. I'm going to double click, and that opens up the folder. So that means I need to create subfolders in there. Now, it's the same way I created folder. It's actually the same process. So you could see I've got OneDrive up here. I've got Victoria that says I'm signing into my OneDrive, and the main folder is called my work. So to create subfolders, I need to go in and click on new folder. I'm just going to call it work 1 and then click enter. So I'm going to create 5 subfolders here. So the same, just repeat the same thing. Work 2, press enter. Work 3, press enter. Work 4, press enter. Work 5, press enter. So 5 subfolders created. Okay, so 1 subfolder and I have 5 subfolders created. Now, quickly, just in case you mistakenly named the folder incorrectly, right? So I'm going to change this to work 6. What you need to do is select the folder, the subfolder, or even the folder that you created and you want to rename. So Sapphire is highlighted in blue, just like mine. I'm going to click this A up here and then call it and change that 5 to 6, and then you hit enter again. So anytime you make a mistake, you want to rename, so you select it and then you click on that. So the same way as well, you can rename, making sure you select and then right click, and then you also have the same option to rename. Click rename. So if I want to change this back to 5, I put that in, press enter, and that's it. Okay, so that is the subfolders created. So you've been wondering, why do I have this green check mark by the side? So this means the folder is already synced and they're saved online. So that's what it means. Hoping this is clear. Now, as I said, the green tick means it's available offline and fully synced. It's fully synced. I can get it online. It's also available on my device. Now, if you are doing a digital skills qualification, you are usually going to be asked to evidence that you can create a folder and subfolder. So far you are still in. So let's say I go back to my OneDrive, and this is the main folder. If I double click, I should be able to find the subfolders in. So To evidence this, I'm going to do a screenshot. So on my keyboard, there is the screenshot there, which is usually PRT space SC, so which is short for print screen. So when you click on that, you can see what I have here. Now it's usually gray out, so that is showing that about to do the screenshot because I've pressed it on my keyboard. Now, so I've got the options here. So I've got this here. So that means I want to actually capture. And then the video here, we're not going to do that. So we choose the third one. I'm going to just click on the drop down there. And then I'm going to click on full screen. Now that sound is basically just saying the screenshot is copied to my clipboard. Now, just in case you cannot find the screenshots or the print screen on your keyboard, the shortcuts for that, if you're using a Windows computer and keyboard, you need to press the Windows key plus Shift and X on your keyboard, and then you will also have the option to do a screenshot of the folder and subfolders you've created. Now, so I've copied that on my clipboard. So I've done the screenshot already. My next step is to open Microsoft Word, which is pinned at the bottom of my screen. If it's not pinned on yours, you go to where you have your applications, click Microsoft Word, and then blank document. Because it's already copied on my clipboard, my next step is to click on paste. And that's it. Screenshot done. Yeah. And usually you'll be told to name this. So I click on save. So let's go back again, click on file, click on save, click on the OneDrive that you want it to go into. Okay. So the OneDrive is click here. So if I need to save it in maybe one of the subfolders, for example, so I'll click on my OneDrive, I click on work, and I want to save it in a subfolder work 1. So let's say I want to call this screenshot, and that's it. I've written the name and then save. And that's all that is required. I hope this is clear. Thanks for watching. I hope you've been able to understand how to create folders and subfolders in OneDrive, specifically using Windows 11. Thank you for watching.